Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for PayBright. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser. In the URL box, type in paybright.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for PayBright, click on Login at the top right hand corner and select an account type you'd like to log in with. Now, select the I am new to PayBright option to get started and sign up for PayBright. Click on the login button at the bottom left and enter your phone number. On the next page, click on continue, and on the next page, enter a PIN code sent to you on the phone number that you just entered. Once you enter the PIN code, your phone number will be verified, and then once it is, follow through the on-screen prompts to sign up for PayBright. That is how you can easily create a new account for PayBright. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.